We are going to discuss sequence and series and means of arithmetic sequence. We get more clear by solving this numerical, that is find an arithmetic mean between the numbers 7 and 17. Let m be the arithmetic mean between 7 and 17. Then we can represent these numbers into 7, m, 17. M is the arithmetic mean between these two numbers 7 and 17. And we can represent first term a is equals to 7, third term or final term b is equals to 17, and arithmetic mean m is equals to what? We need to calculate the arithmetic mean between 7 and 17, and we used formula, that is m is equals to a plus b divided by 2 is equals to 7 plus 17 divided 2 is equals to 12. We can calculate arithmetic mean between the numbers 7 and 17 by this way, that is, if we need to calculate n term, then we use formula, that is Tn is equals to a plus bracket n minus 1 bracket d, where a is the first term and d is the difference between the term and n is the number of term. And here we have given third term t3 is equals to a plus 3 minus 1, that is n is the number of term, that is 3 minus 1, this is the difference. Then we substitute the value. Third term is 17 is equals to first term we have a plus, if we subtract 3 minus 1, that is 2, and this d is the difference. Then we separate constant and variable, then we shift the 7 in and subtract from the 17 minus 7, then we get 10, and this 2 is divided, and we get this equals to 5 is the difference. Now we need to calculate the second term or the arithmetic mean between the number 7 and 17. Then we use formula, that is a plus d. If we use here 2, then we get a plus d, that is the second term. So we have first term 7 plus difference we already calculate 5 is equals to 12. If you need to calculate term first term, then this is the, we represent it as a, and if we need to calculate second term t2 is equals to a plus d. Similarly, t3 term 3 is equals to a plus 2d, term 4 is equals to a plus 3d, and if we need to calculate the nth term, tn is equals to a, this is the first term, plus n minus 1 multiply d. N is the number of term and d is the difference. We are going to solve another numerical problem which is based on arithmetic sequence. Find three arithmetic means between the terms 3 and 23. And the sequence with three arithmetic means is represented as 3, m1, m2, m3, 23. And here first term a is equals to 3, and the number of means m is equals to 3, because in the question we need to calculate 3 arithmetic mean between the 3 and 23, that is 3, and total number of terms 3 plus 2 is equals to 5, that is 3 is the number of mean, and here we have already given 2 term 3 and 23, then total 5 term. Then fifth term T5 is equals to 23. We know that fifth term is calculated by using this formula. T5 is equals to A plus bracket 5 minus 1 bracket multiply D. This is the difference and this is the first term and this is the number of term, total number of term, that is n is equals to 5. And we substitute all the values and calculate. We get 23 is equals to 3 plus 4d. 5 minus 1 is 4. We separate, arrange variable and constant, that is 23 minus 3 is equals to 4d. And this 4d is equals to 23 minus 3, which is equals to 20, and this 4 is shift and 20 is divided by 4. Then we get d is equals to 5. This is the difference. Now we are going to find the 3 arithmetic mean between the term 3 and 23. Then the first mean or the second term is equals to a plus d. We have calculated the value of d, that is difference is 5 and first term is 3. Then 3 plus 5 is equals to 8. Similarly, third term or the second arithmetic mean is equals to a plus 2d is equals to 3. This is the first term plus 2 multiply 5 is equals to 13. Similarly, third mean or fourth term is equals to a plus 3d is equals to 3 plus 3 multiply 5 is equals to 18. Hence, the 3 arithmetic means between 3 and 23 are 8, 13 and 18. We are going to discuss some of arithmetic series. Then Sn is equals to n by 2 bracket a plus t n is the formula to calculate the sum of arithmetic series, where a is the first term, tn is the final term, and d is the common difference, n is the number of terms, and Sn is the sum of first n terms. And we know that Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 bracket t. This t is the common difference, a is the first term, and n is the number of term. Then substituting this tn's value in this equation, we get sum of arithmetic series Sn is equals to n by 2 big bracket 2a plus small bracket n minus 1 close this bracket and d close by big bracket. We are going to solve a numerical problem which is based on sum of arithmetic series. In question, find the sum of first 20 terms of the series, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus. First term a is equals to 1. Common difference between the terms 2 minus 1 is equals to 1, or 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. The number of terms n is equals to 20. Sum of first 20 terms S20 is equals to what? We know that the formula to calculate the sum of the terms is Sn is equals to n by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 bracket d, where n is the number of terms and we have 20. Similarly, a is the first term, 1, and the number of terms n, that is 20 minus 1, and this is the common difference, that is 1. And solving this, finally we get the sum of first 20 terms is equals to 210. We are going to solve another numerical on sum of arithmetic series. In question, find the sum of first 20 terms of an arithmetic series if its fifth term is 10 and 11th term is 22. Then we have fifth term t5 is equals to 10, 11th term t11 is equals to 22. We have formula that is t5 is equals to a plus 4d and t11 is equals to a plus 10d. And we substitute the value of t5 and t11 here. A plus 4d is equals to 10 and a plus 10d is equals to 22. And subtracting equation fourth by third, we get d is equals to 2. Here is how we subtracted. A plus 10d is equals to 22 minus a plus 4d is equals to minus 10. This is the 12 and this uh, 0 and 10 minus 6 or 10 minus 4 is equals to 6. And this we get the value common difference d is equals to 2. Substituting the value of d is equals to 2 in equation third, we get a plus 40 is equals to 10. We have the equation and substitute value of d, that is 2. Then a plus 4 multiplied 2 is equals to 10. Then solving this, we get a is equals to 10, which is the first term. Now we are going to calculate sum of first 20 terms, that is S20 is equals to, we have formula n by 2 bracket 2a plus small bracket n minus 1 multiply d, where a is the first term and n is the number of term, that is 20, and d is the common difference. And we have calculated already a, that is first term, is 2 and the common difference is 2. Then substituting all this value, we get 420 is the sum of first 20 terms.